Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct from my kitchen. I am here again to encourage you, of course, as always, to live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. Amen. So today, if you saw the other video when I was doing my meal planning, or prepping, I should say, meal prepping. I did a few meals, did some greens, kale greens. I did a Toscana, Zuppa Toscana copycat, and I did pico de gallo. I browned some ground turkey for Taco Tuesday and Wednesday, and I showed you my lovely mushroom burger. Yeah, so anyway, so this is the results of my my own version of the Zuppa Toscana that Olive Garden does. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that. That is one of my favorite soups that I love, although they use probably use a ground pork in theirs. I had smoked goat meat that I wanted to use, and oh my goodness, this is really good. It's very, very creamy. I know normally the other soup has it's more brothy. I wanted this more creamy, and it is so good. I mean, I haven't tasted it, but I tasted it on the spoon. I'm like, oh, this tastes good. So I haven't taken a big, a real bona fide spoonful, but I am going to do that on camera. So as you can see here, I prepared this with, I got red skin potatoes in here. I have yellow Yukon yellow or gold potatoes. This is kale, and of course the cream, and then goat meat is throughout. This is goat meat, and it's really, really lovely. We eat a lot of, various parts. We eat a lot of ethnic foods, or like African meals or dishes. So we eat like cow foot, cow stomach, what do you call this? So goat meat, and mostly it's fresh goat meat, but I wanted some smoked goat meat for a particular dish, but I never got around to it. But I had already prepared it, and I said, you know what, I'm going to use this for the zuppa, because I've been wanting to make zuppa for so long. So long. And I didn't put any, I think sometimes they put Parmesan on it. I do have some Parmesan, but I didn't put any on it. And I did also omit like crumbled bacon or anything like that, because I mean, it's just good. I mean, it's my own version, so I can do what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. So anyway, let me taste this on camera. So this is for you. Shout out to Bible Scrap Felicia over at Bible Scrap. She's always talking about how I have to always taste test something, but I do. I have to taste test it, make sure it's good for the family. So let's see. And it's really creamy. Actually, I thinned it out. It was creamier than this. I thinned it out a little bit. I mean, it was so creamy, and from the spoon anyway, but it was so creamy. I love the consistency of it. But let me continue. Thank you. These greens are so tender. Yeah, this is good. This is so perfect. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is lovely, guys. Hold on. So I used yellow onions. I put garlic in here and salt and pepper. That was it. I didn't do anything else, because you know how smoked meats they're gonna already flavor the food, so you don't want to overdo anything. I know this goat meat is probably so tender as well. Look at there. It's too tender. Oh my goodness. Yes, the family is going to love this. And I think, I mean, I have some family members who, the household, who don't always take dairy. So, because you know this is heavy whipping cream in here. Is that right? Heavy whipping cream? Yeah. Is it heavy whipping cream or heavy cream? Or whichever. Heavy whipping cream, whatever. So, the same one I use for making my butter, which I do have to make later today or tomorrow morning. But anyway, so before I added the heavy cream, I put some aside for them. But I know they're gonna love this anyway, even though it has cream in it. They're gonna love it. But yeah, so I just want to show you all my version of Olive Garden's Zuppa Toscana, and this is my version again with red skin potatoes, gold Yukon with kale, smoked goat meat. Yep. So, yep, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and comment if you have any comments. Please don't hesitate to do so. So, yep, this is my deliciousness of today. So, bon appetit to you. Again, encouraging you to live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. Jesus is the only true way. He's the light, and he will give you hope where you don't have hope. He will give you a foundation where you don't have a foundation. So God bless. May the Lord bless you and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Okay.